Welcome to the first lesson of the Learn Drawing from A to Z series. In today's lesson, I'll share with you some techniques and exercises that will improve your line control and prepare you to learn drawing properly. Let's begin. Drawing using the minus sign, dash, might sound strange, but this method is the foundation of any drawing. As you can see in the video, I'm drawing line after line. Most beginners try to draw full, detailed artworks quickly, but they end up failing, feeling frustrated, and eventually quitting. So my dear friend, take your time while drawing. Now I will draw a circle using a compass and apply the same technique. You are free to use a pencil or ink pen. It doesn't matter. The important thing is consistent and correct practice. Next, I will draw vertical lines using a ruler and apply the same method again. This will improve your drawing skills over time. You should dedicate at least 30 minutes, 3 times a week, to these exercises. Now let's move to the third and final exercise. Draw a square or rectangle using a ruler, then repeat the same line drawing technique. Do it calmly and take your time to complete the exercise. And finally, I want to remind you, consistency is the key to success in achieving your goals. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new content.